Hundreds of ships, dozens of aeroplanes, and countless unanswered questions. What if there was a place on Earth where people could simply vanish without a trace? It is a portal to another world, an alien hotspot. Or is there a scientific explanation behind the legend? Welcome to Myths and Mysteries. Today we explore one of the world's most famous enigmas, the Bermuda Triangle. Where is the Bermuda Triangle? The Bermuda Triangle is an area in the North Atlantic Ocean roughly bounded by Miami, Florida, Bermuda, and San Juan, Puerto Rico. Although it appears on many maps and in popular cultures, it has no official boundaries. For decades, stories of disappearance in this region have captured people's imagination. How did the mystery begin? The mystery gains worldwide attention in the mid 20th century when newspapers and books described strange disappearances in the areas. One of the most famous causes occurred in 1945 when five US Navy aircraft known as Flight 19 vanished during a training mission. A rescue plane sent to search for them also disappeared. The wreckage of these aircraft has never been conclusively identified. Popular theories. Many theories have tried to explain the mystery. Some people believe the Bermuda Triangle hides an ancient city like Atlantis beneath the sea. Other thinkers extraterrestrial may be involved. Some even suggest time wraps or portals to another dimension. These ideas are fascinating, but no scientific evidence supports them. The scientific explanations. Scientists offer more practical explanations. The region experiences sudden storms, powerful ocean currents, and unpredictable weather. Navigation errors, equipment failures, and human mistakes can also contribute to accidents. The Gulf Stream, a strong ocean current, may quickly carry away wreckage, making it difficult to locate. Some experts believe these natural factors explain many of the reported disappearances. Amazing facts. Thousands of ships and aircraft safely pass through the Bermuda Triangle every year. There is no official recognition of the Bermuda Triangle as a uniquely dangerous region. Many famous disappearance stories have later been found to contain exaggerations or incomplete information. The mystery continues to inspire books, movies, and documentaries and scientific discussions. So, is the Bermuda Triangle truly mystery? The answer depends on whom you ask. For some, it remains one of Earth's greatest unsolved mysteries. For scientists, it is a place where natural forces and human error can create extraordinary stories. Perhaps the greater mystery is why these legends continue to fascinate us generation after generation. What do you think? Is the Bermuda Triangle hiding a secret, or is science enough to explain the mystery? Share your opinion in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more episodes of Myths and Mysteries where history, science and legends come together. Until next time, stay curious.